Description: meet your ultimate travel companion. Featuring T3 IonAir Technology and auto dual voltage, T3 Afar packs superior drying power and a full suite of travel features for beautiful hair on the go. Benefits: dries hair fast and delivers smooth, shiny results with the power of negative ions in a travel-sized hairdryer. Suggested use: press the speed temperature switches up to select desired heat speed levels. Use cool shot to set the style. T3 IonAir Technology. A wide, ion-infused airstream gently dries hair fast. Negative ions help smooth the hair cuticle to minimize frizz and enhance shine. Customizable settings allow for the right heat and speed combination to style any hair type and texture with soft, healthy-looking results. Top reviews from the United States. Great travel dryer. This is a great travel dryer that dries and smooths my long wavy hair. It's not as strong as my home dryer but definitely better and stronger than any dryer a hotel would provide.